Alright, so let's talk about the Godox TT522 flash. Let's see what's inside this box. RT transmitter. Okay. Mount bracket mini stand. Alright. Suede. Flash inside case. Nice. It feels premium though. I like it. That's the speed light. Bounce guard. Can rotate pretty much in angles that you might find yourself trying to shoot. Manuscript. Okay, we can put the box aside. Alright, so you can assemble it, just attach it to the bracket, rotate the hinge over there which fastens it to the bracket or stand. Okay, there we go. We'll just leave it standing here. Okay, so we have the trigger wireless transmitter, and over here you have the channel sync. So there's dials here, you just have to adjust them to the same combination for them to sync, like that. Now you just need batteries, and as you see right here, it should be just a second, 4 AA batteries. You can also get rechargeables if you need them, but I only have the disposable ones. Once you use them, you're done. Just dispose them safely. Just wait for the red light to come on, and that's gonna trigger the flash or the flash power to actually activate China side power. And press the button, and there you go, the flash triggers. So pretty much it, and yeah, that's the Godox flash on the budget, the T520. So subscribe, like, don't forget to turn on the notification bell, and yeah, thanks for watching.